fall to the ground, and on our heads, on our porch, I will kiss you on the cheek, then our lips meet. We'll watch cars and sing our songs, me on my banjo, you on your guitar. Even if when we're old you lose your hair, I won't care. I'll love you as the day we wed. When you're angry and I'm upset, I'm upset. In the morning I'll wake you up with the smell of coffee and a fruit-filled cup. In the evening we'll build a fire, cuddle closely. My favorite part. We'll play bingo and checkers too. In our wagon we will cruise. You take me dancing and show me off. Hold me tightly, make me blush, make me blush. In the evening we'll build a fire, read our favorite books and talk over wine. And in the morning I'll wake you up with the smell of coffee and a fruit-filled cup. And on the weekend we'll go biking around downtown Corvallis in the sun. And for your birthday I'll surprise you, make you something pink. I'll crack a smile at your old joke. We'll thank the Lord we've gotten so old. The sun will set behind our heads. You look